Hello everyone, Tina Gotham here. You guys, I have got to share with you how you can get luscious lips with Younique's new Mood Struck Hottie Lip Plumper. Check it out. Hottie, 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 hottie. And of course, I'm sure you guys want to know some tips. So for your first tip, you'll want to use a lip plumper as part of your bedtime routine. Apply a liberal amount of Hottie before bedtime and let it do its magic. And you guys, for best results, apply the plumper every night. All right, peeps, are you ready for tip number 2? Exfoliate your lips with the Mood Struck Lip Exfoliator, then apply the Hottie Lip Plumper. End result, smooth, shiny lips. All right, you guys, are you ready for tip number 3? Do you want that va-va-voom lip? And did you know you could contour your lips? Well, I'm gonna show you how. Okay, so you've chosen your favorite lipstick or lip stain. Now you're gonna wanna choose a Mood Struck Precision Lip Liner Pencil. You're gonna take your lip liner and you're gonna wanna outline your lips. And now that you've outlined your lips, now I'm gonna show you how to contour these puppies. First, you're gonna wanna draw a line down your bottom lip. Next, you're going to want to draw 2 lines on the side of your lips. Now you're going to want to draw 2 vertical lines on your top lip, leaving the middle open. What you're going to want to do is choose your favorite Mood Struck lipstick or lip stain. And finally, you're going to apply the Hottie Lip Plumper. Boom, boom shakalaka. Look at these lips. Aren't they luscious? Finally, just so you know, your lips may tingle just a little bit while using this product. That's okay, they're supposed to. It's doing its thing. It is hard at work. It is providing luscious lips for you. And there you go. Those are some tips to help you get those babylicious va-va-voom, boom shakalaka lips that every girl wants.